Oh, hey, welcome to day 3. Today, we decided on picking a stain color for the floor. Because of the mixture of wood, it being red oak in this room and white oak in the other, we decided the best option is probably to stain them so that they are matching and not such a drastic difference. So here I am applying the stain. Which color would you choose if this was your floor? Here we have Early American and Special Walnut, the Natural, which was still an option, and Golden Oak. So let me know in the comments which one you would choose if it was your floor. And after deciding on a stain with the customers, I was back to sanding. So I told you yesterday I was able to get it all rough sanded. Today we are working on fine sanding. So switched out the paper on the big machine to 80 grit, and we are rocking and rolling back to sanding the floor. So I was able to get the entire floor fine sanded today, which is a big step. We're closing in on it, especially now that we are staining the floor. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. We will be staining probably tomorrow afternoon. So here I am doing some more fine sanding, taking the big bag of dust out. I told you yesterday also we have to build some transitions today. So this is one of the areas where we have to build a transition. It was about 1.5 inches difference from the floor to the top of the tile. And I wanted the transition to overhang the tile a little bit. There's a little bit of a rugged edge there, and I'd like the transition to make it about halfway on the sliding door. So here you see me cutting. I'm using actually a stair tread. An old stair tread that I had, and it was nice and thick. So I'm cutting it here at a 20-degree angle on this one. It was just too high. I like to normally do them at 15 degree. This one was too high. It was going to be such a huge transition if I did it at 15. So I kind of made it a little bit taller, shaved it down. You see all the burn marks from the saw cutting it. There you saw me a couple clips. I glued them together, kind of laminating the boards together, and then I nailed them together. Sanded off the burn marks from the blade, and now I'm random orbiting it, getting it all cleaned up, and here I am fitting it into place. So that should look nice once it's all fastened down and stained. So I was happy with how that one turned out. Here's the other one. This one is a little over 1 inch. It's a strong inch higher. So I kind of had to do the same thing. Using a stair tread, I cut it to fit. This is going to be about 7 inches wide. It's about 1.25 inches tall. And then here you'll see me kind of adjusting it, scooching it into place. It has to cover. You see where the old transition covered. I had to make mine cover just as far, so you can't see, any of that shadowing. So got it to fit. The transitions are all done. What a hassle. Glad that's over with. They are installed now. And after I got the transitions done, all cut, put into place, nail holes filled, I was back to fine edging. So here I am with the edger, 80 grit paper, going around the whole outside of the room. So tomorrow's going to be a big day. We're going to start in the morning, pulling all the corners, random orbiting all the edges. We've got to screen, we've got to water pop, tape everything off. It is a full day tomorrow. So I will plan to see you then, and have a great night.